What is up, guys? Mastic over here. Today I'm going to show you how to change O2 sensors on a 2016 Ford Explorer. Let's get straight to it. So first, the upstream O2 sensor right here. So we're changing two of them. The bank 1 upstream O2 sensor, which is bank 1 sensor 1 and bank 2. Actually, I don't know. I think this one's bank 1. Usually the one in the back is bank 1, sensor 1. And then bank 2, sensor 1. So let's get straight to it. I'm going to be more specific at the end. I'll attach a sheet saying which one's bank 1, which one's bank 2. But on this car, both sensors are bad as far as sensor 1 on both banks. So first what you want to do is get something like this with a swivel. And then you want to stick it all the way down right here. And you want to break it off. I already broke it off. It's pretty simple. You don't need that much tutorial. Right here, as long as you have a swivel and your O2 sensor socket, you can go ahead and unscrew this one. Come on. I'm guessing those are factory because they don't have any C's. So okay, now that we're over here, this is the O2 sensor on bank 1, I think, and this is the clip for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect it. Let's see. There we go. And I want to get something like this. The ratchet. Place it right. Get the camera better right there. Place it right there. So that it's right. Okay. I got mine right there. On the O2 sensor. Get some leverage. A little. Oh, I got it. You can use your hand. I guess the left one. There we go. Okay, so I went ahead and got my brand new O2 sensor. I'm about to put over there. Come on, it's right here. Yep, here we go. So, just got it in there. This wire is going to be annoying you because it's going to be hitting your hand. I'm going to bring this tool over here. Put it on like so. Tying the O2 sensor. That's good enough. Take that out. And then go ahead and connect your plug. This is right here. You have a good amount of space in there, so should be good to go. That one clipped. This one's good to go. So here we have our brand new O2 sensor, and we'll go ahead and put it right there. Now that we got it hand tight, I'll go ahead and put my tool over there. This is the O2 sensor tool. I'm gonna put in the description below. Two sensors right there. Hopefully the phone doesn't drop. Good enough. Take it out. And here's the plug. You want to plug it in with the clip facing upside. That's gonna be it. So I went ahead and cleared the codes. Very simple. As you guys can see, there are no check engine lights as of now. Car's running fine. I checked it on the scanner one more time and it showed me no codes. So that'll be it. It's a very simple process. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, do all of that. Thank you so much. Bye.